Mukbang, a mukbangin', mukbang, a mukbangin', mukbang. Oh, we hangin', we bang, oh, we bangin'. What's up, everybody? Happy Thursday, you guys. Happy Thursday to you, because that's when y'all are gonna get this. No, happy Friday. I'm sorry to you guys, because that's when y'all are gonna get this video. Y'all, we are at China King Buffet. We are in, what is this? I think this is College Station. You guys, I don't know how I'm gonna film this, but we're gonna try to do our best, because see, you can't even see the food. You can see me, but not the food. But we're gonna try our best. Before you guys do anything, please do what? Thumbs up this video, subscribe if you haven't already for everyday videos, all right? And, okay, who's that? Oh, okay. All right, y'all, so I got my orange soda. Yeah, and I got my orange soda. Yes, y'all, delicious. All right, y'all, so I got my first plate. I got those amazing green beans. I love these beans, y'all. I love these beans. And with this vegetable fried rice right here. And then I got some beef and broccoli, and I got lo mein, y'all. Oh my gosh, look at this. Yes, y'all. I cannot wait. I am so sorry that y'all cannot see the food, but it's how we gonna have to do it, y'all. Yeah, I gotta take these pills. Show them what you got.
I'm in the video.
Dang, I forgot to get one of these. Y'all, these are so freaking good. I cannot find these at no other Chinese spots in Bryan. No other Chinese spots in Bryan, except for this one. These fried biscuits are my absolute favorite. Take a yummy bite. Yes, y'all. So delicious, y'all. These are so good. Holler at me in the comments if you know what I'm talking about. Y'all, my hand's shaking. I'm so hungry. Take a yummy bite of that. She gonna be mad because I took her biscuit.
Take her biscuit.
I'm not gonna keep it. Anyway. Alright. Cheers. These are my absolute fave. Take a bite. My absolute fave, y'all. Yes, Lord. That is ridiculous. Oh, yum. And I got some of these.
Why do you want to cut?
Oh my God.
Because it looks so good.
These are their chicken dumplings, y'all. Oh my gosh, it is so good.
Maybe you shouldn't. Wow.
So delicious, y'all. I need some sweet and sour sauce.
She's gonna come and give us some more drink.
Just ask. It's the vegetable fried rice, y'all.
Brand. Some more drink. Mama, that was good.
What? These green? Oh my God, these are the best green beans you ever gonna taste. They saute these in garlic. So good. Bring me some sweet and sour sauce.
What?
Some sweet and sour sauce. Mmm. This the beef, y'all. Ooh, y'all know y'all want some. Ooh. Yeah, this meat is kind of chewy too.
Look how perfect I did this.
No, it looks amazing. It's delicious. Y'all know Leia love her desserts. Ain't that right, Leia? It's smooth and creamy, huh?
I don't like chocolate anymore. Like, I grew out of chocolate.
You don't like chocolate?
I don't eat like the Hershey, but after chocolate ice cream.
Come on, dude. Oh my God. Fried goodness, y'all. Fried goodness. Y'all, it's so soft and then a little crunchy on the outside. So good. So y'all let me know what y'all are eating with me. And what is the mother flipping deal, y'all? Y'all, I retwisted my hair. And I got a little bit more definition, but I went outside and it got a little frizzy. So, And yeah, y'all, I gotta do it again, y'all. I got my orange soda today. Yes, y'all. Who wants a yummy sip? Delicious. Oh my gosh. I've been craving this. Look at this, y'all. They're so big and juicy, y'all. They're filled with chicken. You can get some of these. They're so good.
Would I like them?
Everyday video.
That's Hillary Clinton. Why is Hillary Clinton still in this?
Come on.
Why is she still in this?
Trying to keep ourselves relevant.
For what? You don't get paid?
Yes, you do. I'm sure she has a job somewhere. Doing something. Maya on the other side, y'all. I can't get everybody in the shot. And she don't mind not being in the shot.
No.
Why you ain't bring me no sweet and sour sauce?
I went to the restroom and you asked me.
How did you get pineapple?
They're up there.
Never mind. Oh my god. Alright, y'all. Second go around. Got my fried plate. Well, not all fried, but this is, what is this?
Orange chicken.
Orange chicken? I guess, y'all. I got me one of those fried biscuits. I got some mussels, y'all. Ooh, didn't that look delicious? Yes. And I got me some of these fried rangoons and a delicious vegetable egg roll. And they have these like corn fritters. Yum. Oh, these are good. Would y'all have some?
No.
They're real good. And I got my favorite here, y'all.
How are you supposed to eat
They have some
mussels?
bomb berry cobbler, y'all. Their berry cobbler is so good. I'm telling y'all.
How are you supposed to eat mussel?
You're just supposed to take them out of there.
Eat that whole
Might
thing.
want to know how to eat mussels, y'all.
And eat the whole thing?
Not the shell.
No, I'm talking about the little thing on the inside of the shell.
Yeah.
You just put that in your mouth. Is it chick? Is it like, what is it? Like shrimp or something? Tight.
It's a mussel. That's what it's called. That's the name of the animal. Or fish.
Animal.
Pero quería que lo pudieran como ayudarte un día. Pero ya que sepa, ¿verdad?
Was your food good?
Yeah. Mama, whenever you don't take your pill, where does it hurt?
Where did it hurt my stomach?
Where? Down here, up here? Cause I think I am lactose intolerant.
It hurts everywhere. So when you eat milk, dairy products, your stomach hurts?
Cause right here it hurts.
You're not lactose intolerant.
Oh my god.
Isn't Destiny
This
lactose
was so
intolerant?
good.
Destiny's lactose intolerant?
Oh, mama, look at this. Whoa.
What is that? Oh my god.
Okay.
That is so fresh. They are so crunchy and fresh, y'all. Oh my god. It's like they just made them.
Oh, this is how they be doing that.
Yeah, y'all. These better be good. Oh my god. Absolutely delicious, y'all. Wow. They know what they're doing. It seems like it's better now than when we had went before. Y'all, because we've been here a couple of times before. Just never filmed anything. Have a yummy bite. Yeah, I'm really hungry. please excuse my greediness. I'm so sorry I can't see the food. I'm so sorry. But I'm showing y'all the food.
Did you tell him you upgraded?
No.
Of course
Look how
you
pretty
did.
this phone is, y'all. She upgraded, so I can talk about it. I'm gonna get y'all Snapchat.
With the vlog?
Hey, behind the scenes. This is called behind the scenes.
Actually, this is mukbang right here.
It is.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. A mukbang. A mukbang. A mukbang. Mukbang. Mukbang.
This orange crush, y'all, is so good. I don't know why it's so delicious, but it is. Oh my God. Wow.
Let me go eat.
So when you gonna get a case?
I'm gonna find one first.
You get one? Give me one. Cause this purple case ugly.
We have a case.
I want a different one. That black one? Oh.
I mean, is it broken? If it ain't broken, you don't need another one. You don't need one.
But I want one. I want another one.
Needing one are two different things.
But I said I wanted.
Alright, y'all. I have to get into this friggin' blackberry cobbler. That's what this is, y'all. It may not look good, but
Y'all
honey,
need something?
it is delicious. The only thing I don't like about it is they don't know how to omit the seeds.
What do you say?
But everything else is so good. What y'all laughing at?
The way you said Dr. Pepper.
What he said?
Daha Peck.
The hot peck. Don't be making fun of him. That's for me.
It was funny. But they close at 9. It's 47.
It's not 8:47.
Yes, it's 8:47.
It goes at 9:30.
Ooh.
I know this is good.
I don't like the way I can't like bite it all the way down because of the little seeds.
Exactly. I was just telling them about the seeds.
About to drop, about to drop, about to drop.
It's okay. Come on, baby bubba. Y'all, it's so good. Anyway, so let me know what y'all been up to. What are y'all doing this weekend? I'm glad we're not playing no music because this will be really, really hard to film in February. They wondering what I'm doing over here. They just won't ask. I didn't even ask, can I film? Because every time you ask, they always say, we have to contact the corporate office. Like, you have to contact the corporate office for me to film myself eating. Come on. So, I don't ask anymore.
You're gonna be looking real crazy whenever they come over there and say you can't record in here.
I'm gonna be like, okay. I love these things. Crab rangoons, oh my god.
What's in it?
I think I got some fried crab. I think that's what it is. Let's try it.
Show them. Fried crab, y'all.
Scary.
Some of them. They can't see that.
Smell like the ocean.
She said it smelled like the ocean.
Ain't even got no meat.
Girl, yes it do. You just gotta get it out of get the meat out of that body part.
Ugh, just kind of fish. It's enough.
You done eating? Y'all, Maya leaves for Louisiana tomorrow, and she's so excited.
You speaking for
I'm actually scared.
Why?
You said you was excited. You told me you wanted to go.
I don't even use excited, Mom.
You-
Mom, no I don't.
That's the word that I use
Mom,
for happy that you're going.
I'm scared.
Why are you scared?
It's
Why?
Louisiana.
What's wrong with? Isn't that real dangerous?
You just make sure you don't say nothing smart to nobody. That's it. Nobody will mess with you. You get smart with somebody in Louisiana, holla. Let people know that y'all don't play, okay? Because I've been to New Orleans plenty of times. And you just, you know, that's with anybody though. Like, don't go to nobody else's city and get smart with them.
Like, I just feel like during the game we're gonna
get
fight
into it.
somebody.
No.
I just
No, you're not gonna fight nobody.
Because I remember last year when I was playing with Shayla and Louisiana team came and played against us. We got into a fight with them. Because Puff was playing, she was playing defense too close.
Well, Puff do be playing defense too close.
That's how you play.
I know.
It's how you play defense up close.
And it must have been a close game. That's probably why y'all, the tensions were high.
Oh, and I also got some clams to try. I got 2 of them.
Those itty bitty things.
I got-
Ooh, they're so good.
Ooh.
I'm so scared though. I'm scared.
You said they smell good.
Yeah, I'm scared.
Ooh, you see the things that look weird, I don't put in my
It
mouth.
tastes good though, but the texture is good. Wait, that tastes really good. The flavor is good, but the texture
Yeah.
is...
They know how to season their food over here, y'all. Insane.
That's good.
Y'all, this is my first plate.
I thought that was your first plate.
Oh, look at this. It's like a rainbow. See that?
No, I don't see that.
It's rainbowish.
Lala, have you seen Imani ever since?
No, but she found me on Instagram. She followed me on Instagram.
You mind who?
Imani.
Oh, from
She got us.
Jordan Luke? She watched us.
She do.
She do?
She go to my school. Running.
Oh, she does?
Duh. You help her?
She in high school already?
She's a freshman. Going to be a sophomore.
Oh, she's going to go to Rudder.
No, she was a freshman. Now she's going.
Are you kidding me? You never told us that.
Well, I thought I did.
No.
Oh.
Did you speak to her?
Yeah, for a little bit. Then you know, in high school, I stopped seeing her because classes moved.
Mama trying to act like a goody too soon. I stopped seeing her.
I did. She found her friends. And,
She followed me. Her mama followed me.
her
And I think one
mama.
of her sisters followed her. And her
Yeah.
dad.
Oh no, her daddy scared me.
Why?
He was scared. Like when we was in Jordan Lou, he just like the way he'll look.
That's nice.
I've never told him.
He looked like he was
just
mean to them all the time.
It wasn't.
I know their mama cool.
We knew both of them.
You were friends with them?
Yeah.
I
know you was friends with the mama.
I was with both of them.
I don't know.
Yeah, y'all, no lipstick kind of day. I heard that the trend is that during the summer you don't wear like colors, like you wear like nudes and stuff like that. Is that true? Let me know in the comments. Like I need to know.
At the
Yeah.
iPhone 6, you finna follow all the trends.
Shut up.
No, the trend is iPhone 7. The trend is iPhone 7.
Boom, baby.
Watch. When the iPhone 10 comes out, she still had a 6.
Remember you was hating on Destiny when she got it, talking about something like
I did.
a computer?
Yes, you did.
Oh, I wasn't hating. I was just saying it was big. You know what I'm saying?
And now you
But you
got
got
it.
the same phone.
So what?
Oh my god.
I had to get with the times. And I see that it's really hard to deal with this phone because it's so big. Like, it's kind of hard, honestly.
It is not hard.
Yes, it is.
Why
Yes,
do
it
you even
is.
have to get the Google for? Like, you been
Why?
extra.
No, I'm being extra. If you could have got the 6, Ash, you would have got it too. Stop
No,
it.
I would love to small
Stop
one.
it.
She would have got this
Stop
one.
it.
She would have got this beauty right
No,
here.
stop.
This beauty. Yes.
That's just a 6, isn't it?
No. So calm it down. Calm it
That's
down.
raggedy.
Calm it
That
down.
is just a 6.
This is a 6S. It says an S at the back.
Come on, let's compare. Which one would you get?
Hold on, let me take the
Which
case
one
off.
would you get?
Let me
The
take
silver one
the
ugly.
case off. This is a beauty right here. That's a
You
beauty.
didn't have to do that.
That's a beauty. That's a beauty. That is a beauty.
Which one would y'all get?
The small.
Let us know in the
The
comments.
small one. Cause don't do that.
What did I do?
I don't know. You try to sit it down. Don't do that. Don't do that.
Oh my god! Already got skirts. Okay, look. Whenever
That
you
is not my fault.
you see that right there, you see that? That's
I
what
didn't just
happens
do that.
whenever you put it down. I'm just saying. That's what happens. The little metal thing starts to
I need something else to
scratch
drink.
away.
Like, he not being
Shake
a good
it. He
son.
just looks. Shake it. Shake it. Shake it.
Can I get an orange, please?
Can I get Sprite? Thank you.
What time y'all close? What time y'all close? Close? What time do y'all close? Close. What time do y'all close? No English. No English. Okay. Wow. Okay. You don't speak English. It's not funny. What is so damn funny?
Because you didn't know. Like I
didn't know that
I
he
would have
was-
stopped asking because I would have figured out he couldn't speak English. He said,
Shut up.
I would have been stopped asking. Chloe? You have to walk away like he didn't hear you.
I know, like, Chloe? Chloe? It's alright.
She crying. She crying. Let me shut up. She come on.
Why is it doing that? Live? What does
you mean
live
live?
mean?
What? That's
is
the
that?
that's the light. Thank you. You know what the light
I don't need light.
You need the light. What are you doing?
Where is the light? Oh, no ma'am. No ma'am. You're going too far. You are going completely too far. No ma'am. I'm trying to figure out why she did that. It is not that funny. It is not that funny. It's gonna spit soda all over me. It is not that funny. Did it go in my plate too?
Of course it did.
That is so disgusting.
That was funny.
He knew what fake he was. He didn't know what clothes was.
That is not. Stop being mean.
Yo, stop crying. I know it do.
What does live mean? What does that mean, live?
Let me see it. Oh my god. It's probably not nothing. You just.
I just what?
Let me see it.
Why does it do that?
Mother, let me see it. Thank you. So whenever you take the picture, whenever you take the picture, it say live.
Yeah.
Oh, because look.
He gets to move and stuff. That is so cool.
What is that?
She didn't know what this was. Whenever you hold it down and it starts moving. Why did you do that? Here you go. That's why it says live.
It records you?
Yeah, and take a picture.
For how many seconds?
I don't know.
Why does it do that?
1,
Just
2, 3.
Who else gets to see that? Whoever,
You.
Instagram?
Only you?
No, just you.
But why would I want that?
Because you can screenshot how, like, I screenshot whenever whenever they take the ugly pictures. And I look good whenever it's recorded.
Your friend?
The S, I guess. I don't know. If the 6 does it either.
It has a delay. I don't want that on there. Can you take it off?
What?
I don't want the live on there.
I don't think that's your choice.
It is. Live off. Live off, see?
Go ahead then.
That would have been cool. I don't know why you did that.
I don't know.
I could go back and see like how you acted when you was taking the picture.
All I do is press the button.
Why does it do that?
Now that's perfect.
Why do you take your pictures like that?
You know what? I'm sick of y'all. I swear everything I do is wrong. I can't hold the phone right. I can't do nothing. They running my iPhone life, y'all. Why they trying to run my iPhone life?
She hold it like a grown person.
I know.
She types like an old lady.
I'm grown.
She types like an old lady.
I hold my phone like a grown person, y'all. That's what they said.
You type like an old
That's what they
lady.
said. Y'all want to see what I got on? Yeah, I got this from Family Dollar, y'all. Look at this dress.
You would love to tell everybody.
Look at this dress.
Mom, you got
I
that from Family
love
Dollar.
it. Look, the kind of dresses that go up like on the side like that. I think it is so cute. Y'all, $12 for
Okay, the
this.
slip.
Y'all, I went and got some fried shrimp.
When do they close?
Yum.
In New
It is so good too.
I'm middle that rock. I did it on my socks. You saw that rock.
Take a yummy bite. Mm,
Shooting that beat off.
that was good.
Running from the clock. It's not even hot no more.
Can mama do that on her phone?
Yeah, but
Do
she
what?
gotta put
Doing the little thingy.
this.
What is it? Yeah, how did she get that?
Yeah, I'm gonna try to get some shots of this buffet. Hopefully they'll
How
let
did
me
she
do
get
it.
it?
You gotta go to settings.
Come on
turn
with
What?
Come walk with me.
Get Maya walk with you.
They are so scary. So am I. Anyway, they wanted me to turn the camera off, y'all, so we gotta go. I hope y'all enjoyed this. What I did give y'all, I'm so sorry. But make sure y'all thumbs up this video, subscribe if you haven't already for everyday videos, everyday videos. All right, bye y'all. Peace. I can't even get it right, y'all, because she wants me to cut it off so bad. Y'all, bye.
Shooting at the ops in my drop top. This is so confusing.
You better watch out for that lady.
Who's wrong with mommy? Sari Rock. Hiding from the cops. Shooting at the ops in my drop top. So we haven't did one of these little clipple things in a long time.
You can't even see me.
So you know I'm about to put this on the snap.
You can't even see me, Maya.
Lay him on that Andre Kidry.
Andre Gidley. What did you get that from? Let's do a slow-mo for mama.
Looking at the ops. I can't even see myself. Yeah, I can't see myself. Oh, there I go. Shooting at the ops.
Maya, make a funny face.
In my...
It's a slow-mo.
Well, how do you do slow-mo?
Easy.
Wait, no. Put it back on me. 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 What? Oh snap! She looking.